Hello viewers, here is a piece of Plantronics equipment. This is another thing I don't know what it is. I've never been inside this box. I would guess it's some kind of a headset, because that's usually what Plantronics is known for. There's no, well, there's a model number, but I'm not familiar with their products enough to know offhand what that model number goes to. But let's take a look inside here and see what this is. Cordless telephone headset amplifier. I am not really sure what that is. I'm very confused by this device. It's saying it's cordless, but it's plugged into a phone. Okay. Well, let's take a look at what's inside the box here, and maybe I'll be able to get a better understanding of how this works and what it does. Okay. This looks to be some kind of a clipping mechanism here. This definitely seems like it's some type of a cordless phone. .900 megahertz cordless adapter. Looks like it's got some charging contacts there. It probably uses some wild non-standard battery. This is a handset phone cord. And here is the base, I guess. I'm not sure what. Oh, I guess it goes like that. We got a volume control here. We got some kind of programming switches on the back. Telephone handset. It appears that this would sit in there like that, and then I guess this would give you a wireless headset, and then I believe you'd be able to put your telephone handset through here, so you could have either the telephone handset or this as an option. Here's this, and this is a standard audio jack. This, I don't know what that is. I can see that fits in there, that makes sense. And then actually looks like it would even maybe fit in there. But where this goes to is beyond me. Now this is probably one of those like battery seal things. So this may actually be never used, and it looks pretty new. Seems like it all would work. So that's kind of interesting. And this is the power supply. Yeah, that looks new. I bet this was never used. So I think all these things are optional. So I don't know, I guess it probably just comes with this, and this is all you need to use it. The only thing I don't quite understand is it clips like this, and I would think you'd want it to be like this, but the clip is something that has to be inserted in a, you know, clip on like that, so I don't quite understand how that's supposed to work. But anyways, that's an interesting piece. I'll have to figure out exactly how to use it. But it looks like it's brand new, so that's cool too. Hopefully the battery is still good, because I mean, unless it's got AAA batteries in there, which I suppose is possible, that's probably going to be difficult to find a replacement battery for that. Alright, well, that's going to be it for this video. I'll have a revisit video on this eventually, and hopefully I'll know a little more about it during that video.